In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money on Kucoin Earn with a simple 3-step process. If you've been looking to maximize your cryptocurrency earnings in the DeFi space, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident navigating Kucoin Earn efficiently and effectively to make the most out of your crypto assets. To get started, we'll first need to visit the Kucoin website. Open your preferred web browser and type in kucoin.com. This platform is known for its user-friendly interface and wide array of features that cater to both beginners and seasoned traders in the crypto market. Once you're on their homepage, the next step is logging in. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to sign up. But for today's process, let's assume you already have one. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the page and click on it. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you're using a public computer, remember to log out once you're done to keep your information secure. After logging in, it's time to explore Kucoin Earn. Navigate to the homepage again if you've taken any detours. Once there, you'll want to look for the Earn option. This is where the magic happens. You'll find it in the main menu bar, and clicking it will direct you to Kucoin's suite of earning products. Now, Kucoin Earn is essentially an umbrella under which different earning products are designed to help you grow your crypto holdings passively. These products range from flexible savings accounts, which offer variable interest rates, to more structured investments like staking or fixed-term deposits. Each comes with its own set of features and benefits. So take some time to explore the offerings before selecting one that aligns with your investment strategy. Finally, choose the option within Kucoin Earn that best suits your needs. Whether you are looking to participate in staking particular coins or simply want a place to store your assets with some interest gain, Kucoin Earn has a variety of options. Remember, each product will have different terms regarding potential returns, risks, and lock-in periods, so it's crucial to read the descriptions and terms associated with these options. Keeping your own financial goals in mind, select the product that feels right for you. There you have it, a straightforward guide to making money on Kucoin Earn. By systematically following these steps, you can take advantage of different financial products designed to grow your investments. Always ensure you're comfortable with your choices and that they align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. As the cryptocurrency market can be quite volatile, diversified strategies that play to your strengths are often the most rewarding. Good luck and happy earning!